All right, good morning, Math 7 students. Today you just have one con, that's because you have a quiz coming up tomorrow. You might think it's much harder. Well, it's really not that hard. Just has one added step to the easy ones we did yesterday. So let's get started. You're going to notice that today we have mixed numbers. And in order to multiply and divide fractions, we do not want mixed numbers. So the first step is we have to turn a mixed number back into an improper fraction. So if you don't remember how to do that, you take the whole number times the denominator. Oops, there you go. So -1 times 3 is -3, and then we have the -2 on top. Actually, I don't even do it that way, guys. To be honest, forget the negative. We just know it's going to be a negative in the end. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So this one turns out to be 5/3. Then apply the negative in front of it. Okay. Then same thing here. We're going to do 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, so 11 over 5. So wait, Mr. Anderson, I thought you said 11 over 5. So why do you have -5 over 11? Well, if you remember, how do we turn a division problem into multiplication? We simply flip it upside down. So I took the -11 over 5, and I simply flipped it upside down to be -5 over 11. I know, fancy, fancy. All right, then we're going to multiply our fractions, and we get -5 times -5 is positive 25, and 3 times 11 is 33. Can I simplify that? The answer is no, so there's our answer. That easy. Let's do one more here. All right, we're going to take this. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, so we've got 5 over 2. Put the negative in front of it. Then we've got this one. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have 7 over 2. But you know Mr. Anderson, Mr. Fancy, he's going to do what to it? That's right, turn it upside down. So it's 2 over 7. It's a positive because there's no negative in there. -5 times 2 is -10. 2 times 7 is 14. Is that our answer? No, because we can simplify this one. So if we're going to simplify it, -10 over 14, both can be divided by 2. We get -5 over 7, which is our answer. Very easy. I expect you guys will blow through this one. But of course, as always, I'm here to help you during my office hours or during class. Good luck, guys. Wow, what a short video. Bye-bye.